Toronto, this is a very alarming trend. Whooping cough cases in Ontario have hit its highest number in the last 17 years, according to this new report. Here's all the info. Here's some more information on the whooping cough. It's also called pertussis, and it's a bacterial infection. And here's a couple quotes from a Toronto doctor about diagnosing the whooping cough. And we've seen over 1,400 cases that are confirmed for whooping cough in Ontario this year. Children between the ages of 10 and 14 and week-old infants have the highest number of cases of whooping cough in Ontario. So Toronto, if you've been affected by the whooping cough, let me know below. What are you doing to help?